guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Steph DIY Queen. I have a special guest today. Her name is Sheena.
Nice to meet you guys.
That was my homegirl. My bangs is shining. So today I'm gonna come in the middle of my face. So I got bangs. Cause I have a big ass forehead. My bangs. So we're gonna be cooking, but
yeah, today we're gonna be cooking some nice homemade. We're gonna be cooking some homemade meatball subs. I'm pretty sure you guys heard of it, original Italian dish, and I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients one by one. But
you're Italian, right?
No, I'm not.
Puerto Rican.
Mixed. Yeah.
Mixed. This is my friend, but I don't even know her race.
Yeah, I'm a bunch of things, but I'm just saying though, we're gonna make our little recipe, and then we're gonna show you how it came out.
The final results. We're gonna take bites for y'all.
Yeah.
We're gonna show y'all what it tastes like.
Definitely.
Wish I was here. Like, we got the music.
Right.
We got the wine.
So we're gonna show you guys the ingredients one by one.
Yes, and come back with us and make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification button.
I know got this from Wegmans, but we got some good Italian bread. And so our ingredient is the breadcrumbs. We didn't have homemade, so we had to make some crackers, and we crumpled it up in a Ziploc bag.
Yes.
And we breadcrumbs. That's what keeps the meatballs.
Wait, hold on. Can I see it?
Together.
Oh, this light. Okay, there we go. Come on, I didn't think y'all could see it.
And of course, we have our ground meat.
I'm gonna just let her take over the show.
We just have our typical ground meat. So of course that's our main thing.
What's next?
We have our ragu sauce. Definitely need that for our subs.
Not the ragu. We love ragu.
Okay.
We love ragu. Did I just? I was like, we love ragu.
Of course, for the meats we have our sazon, our seasoned salt, our parsley. Plus, you could use any of your other seasonings. Like I have complete, and she has the garlic powder. Whatever you like.
Y'all know I love my garlic powder. Period.
And of course, you guys know, definitely adobo. Definitely. Adobo.
Oh, I do too. They know me and my adobo.
And yes, definitely.
The adobo is the tea, honey.
Or whatever seasons you like. And then of course,
these adobos. That's it with the adobo.
We use a little bit of milk and just 1 egg. Keeps the texture, the meat moisture, and the breadcrumbs flavor.
Sis is really cooking for me. I'm chilling today.
Okay, and since you find out our ingredients, we will show you the results after.
And we'll come back with it.
We'll come back later and give you a taste test.
Yes, and then we're going to show you like how you mix it and all that first, and then we can come back.
Yeah.
Then we going to come back.